Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the battery percentage not showing on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 5G. So at first you need to open the settings, and as you can see our battery indicator is over here, so we want to fix this issue over here when the battery percentage is not here. So at first scroll down to the notifications and status bar right here, and now here as I can still have battery indicator. If you have the battery disabled, for example like this graphical, so set it either to this thing or this battery with the percentage next to the icon or inside the icon like this. Just make sure that you have set either this option or this. If you have this option over here and this is not a percentage but a blank, we can do some other thing to fix this issue. At first, exit the settings and open the Play Store right here. Now open search, and now here you need to search for the battery widget and search not and widget. Here, widget, if you search widget, battery widget, you will have this Battery Widget Reborn. I'm recommending this application in almost every single video about battery percentage showing. I'm not sure if this application is that nice. I think that there are some better applications, but I'm using this application from Thomas Hubalek with 5 million downloads plus. Tap install button over here and just install this application. For example, if you search for the battery widget, you can search for every other application that has, for example, battery tools and widget, maybe not tools, but you need only widget, so battery widget percent level plus. Every single application you just want. Here, tap open. And now, once you are here, you can start automatically. Confirm choices. Start automatically, and now here as I can see we have our battery widget, but of course we need to add this widget at first. Tap add widget. Here you can either select if you want battery chart, if we don't see it here actually because we do have dark mode, or battery widget. Let's search set battery widget, and let me do this thing again. Add widget, battery widget. And now our battery widget should be over here, but I don't really see this. I don't know why. And widget, battery widget. Okay, so let's add this manually. As you can see, we do have some problems. Hold the finger in the background and tap widgets. Here now you need to search for this application in the list of the widgets. Contacts, Gmail, Google TV, YouTube, File Manager, Mi Browser, Upvote, Gallery, Mi Video, Games, WPS Office, Temu, Facebook, Google News, LinkedIn. Here, Battery Widget Reborn 2025. Tap this first widget over here. Here we have the widget configuration, but we need only this one, normal one. Tap done, and here it's small, but here as you can see we have this widget. If we tap adjust size, we can adjust the size of this widget. You can't here because we have the applications, but we can enlarge it, etc. And now this is our battery widget, and you can just add a new one. But of course, if you don't see the battery over here and it's not recognizable, you don't have the battery just at all, like battery percentage, you need to contact device support because the battery sensor is broken, and no matter what you do, you can't just see the battery because the battery sensor is broken. And your phone shouldn't be turned on actually if the battery sensor is turned on, because it detects that the battery is just turned off. But if it's on, you need to contact device support because your device is just broken. Or just restart it, but I don't really think that the restart should help. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.